We're delighted to bring to market this exceptional Aston Martin Works restored and adapted to POW body style V8 Volante. Produced in 1985 and extensively rebuilt by Aston Martin Works at Newport Pagnell some 22 years later. Superbly finished in Cumberland Grey with black hides and matching black roof, this restored car, completed and delivered in 2008, has covered 3,000 miles in the hands of 2 appreciative owners. Driven by fictional secret agent James Bond in 1987's feature The Living Daylights, a Cumberland Grey Volante is driven by Bond before being winterised in Q's workshops and being equipped with guided missiles, outrigger skis, laser defences and a rocket launching system. Chassis 15413, built in left-hand drive, was completely rebuilt and restored to UK specifications by Aston Martin Works, against an enthusiastic owner's instructions to recreate a facsimile of Commander Bond's highly admired Volante. With POW or Prince of Wales specification bodyworks, the extensive restoration embraced all aspects of the car, including chassis and body metalworks, a bare metal repaint, complete rebuild of a V8 engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, steering and rear axle, as well as new Vantage wheels and tyres. Completely retrimmed in black hides, new carpets, interior veneers and finishes were installed, prior to a newly tailored Mohair type fabric roof being fitted. Expenditure totaled in excess of £175,000, restoring and upgrading this exceptional V8 Volante to nothing less than factory standards. Since completion, we've been delighted to supply and maintain this evocative car over the 3,000 dry miles it has covered when not being stored in its climate-controlled environment. On view now at our Hertfordshire showroom.